Hello guys, today we are going to take a look at how a fragile display glass or digitizer is shipped from China all over the world. Well, the cheapest buyers, and I mean only not a lot of them, are going to put the digitizer in such a package, wrap it around 2 times, and that was it. So while it can get wet, there is a little bit of bubble wrap in there, but well, it's not going to do a whole lot. But 99% of the real sellers here are going to ship your digitizer in such a thing here, and it can take a pounding, and it is not going to get wet because the styrofoam here, well, it rejects water and it's very sturdy. Now let's take a look. So let's take a look inside. Here we have a new display for this phone here. You see it has cracks all over it, and the digitizer isn't working properly. So we ordered one new, and it costs around $20, and it's from all parts. It's an ALIEXPRESS vendor. Well, here in it is the digitizer, and what we get here is just a guiding sticker, and yeah, and here are some display wipes to clean it up. Nothing very important here, so let's crack it open and see what's in here. So what we see is, in an other bottle wrap, we have the digitizer. Oh, and there is a display glass, display protector in here, very nice. And the digitizer itself, we have it here, as I said, for the Asus Zenfone 2. Yeah, good. And oh wow, so this little box in here, let's take a look. And there is a toolkit in here, so we can see with almost every smartphone is going to work with those little screwdrivers, and a tool for prying it open, and a guitar pick-like thing to open the smartphone. So yeah, that's how a new digitizer and a screen protector display is coming to you from ALIEXPRESS. And thanks for watching.